Imagine floating in space, completely unprotected, no suit, no oxygen, no warning. What do you think would happen? Would you freeze instantly? Explode? Or would something far more disturbing begin to happen inside your body? Because the truth is, your blood would start to boil. It sounds impossible. Space is cold, colder than anything on Earth. So how could boiling, something we associate with heat, even occur? This isn't science fiction. It's a real, terrifying effect of exposure to the vacuum of space. And it has a name, ebullism. On Earth, liquids boil when they reach high temperatures. But temperature isn't the only factor that controls boiling. Pressure matters just as much. At sea level, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. But climb a mountain, and the boiling point drops. Now imagine removing pressure almost entirely. That's exactly what space does. In the vacuum of space, the boiling point of water drops below body temperature. Which means, the liquids inside your body begin to turn into vapor, without getting hot. The human body is about 60% water. Blood, saliva, the moisture in your eyes, even the fluids lining your lungs. When exposed to space, these liquids begin to form gas bubbles. Not a violent explosion, but a slow, disturbing swelling. Your skin actually holds your body together, preventing you from bursting. But internally, things begin to change fast. Let's break down what really happens, second by second. For the first few seconds, you remain conscious. The oxygen already in your blood continues to circulate. But at around 10 to 15 seconds, you lose consciousness due to lack of oxygen. Not because of boiling, but because your brain is starved. Around 30 seconds in, your body begins to swell noticeably. Moisture on your tongue and eyes starts to vaporize. After about 1 minute, circulation begins to fail and permanent damage starts to set in. By the 2-minute mark, survival becomes extremely unlikely. Movies love to exaggerate space deaths. People explode. Instantly freeze. Shatter like glass. But none of that is true. You wouldn't explode, because your skin is strong enough to contain internal pressure. You wouldn't instantly freeze, because heat doesn't disappear that fast in a vacuum. Instead, your body would retain heat, even as your blood begins to boil. It's slower, quieter, and far more unsettling. This isn't just theory. During vacuum chamber tests, animals and even humans have been accidentally exposed to near-vacuum conditions. In one incident, a technician's suit malfunctioned. He later reported feeling the saliva on his tongue begin to boil, just before he lost consciousness. He survived. But the experience confirmed what scientists already knew: ebullism is real. Earth protects us in ways we rarely think about. Our atmosphere provides pressure. It keeps liquids stable. It allows life to function normally. Space removes all of that instantly. No pressure. No oxygen. No protection. Just a silent environment where the rules of survival completely change. If you were drifting in space without protection, you wouldn't feel pain the way you expect. You wouldn't even have time to panic for long. Within seconds, your vision would fade. Your body would swell. And your consciousness would slip away. All while, quietly, your blood begins to boil. Space is beautiful, mysterious, endless, but it is also completely unforgiving, and sometimes, the most terrifying dangers are the ones you can't see. Subscribe for more science mysteries.